Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Toyota Yaris here on a 2005 plate. Just doing a side light bulb on this. As you can see, that one there is working, and then this one isn't working. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. I'm just going to switch the lights off. Now, all you got to remember is on the inside there, as you can see, this little wire here. So obviously you won't be able to see it, you know, but ouch, let me just get my hand in there. Now on the inside there is a plug, right? Can you see the brown connectors, right? So you twist it to your left. Yeah, you heard a noise, and then you pull it out towards you. Once you've pulled it out, you then replace the bulb. Now the bulb is a 501 bulb, so which is a capless bulb, and you've got the seal around there as well. So just remember, make sure the seal is there. You don't want to really put the bulb in without the seal. And the bulb required, it is a 501 bulb, which you'll find a link for it in the description. So if you wanted to buy one or few, you know, they're quite common bulbs anyway. You slot the bulb in, get your hands through again, and the same procedure again. You know, it just slots in through the hole. If you're not too sure about where the hole is, you can always see it from the front. So you just got to get it right. There are pin locators on there, so that's it, and then twist it to your right. So now she is in. Perfect. So let me just get the angle right, so you can see now that's in there. So if you just switch the lights on, please, the side lights on. That's it. This one here is working already, and that one there we just fixed now. That's all you had to do on the door. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Toyota as well. Do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.